This is Earthquake from Tattoo for You. Today I'm going to be showing you how to wrap your CNC Q-2 with a Ambition kuark mini power supply. So what you're going to need is a pen machine bag, some grip tape if you choose so, some cling film, barrier film, so you're just going to go like this. Mine are a little bit small, so you can go around it with your finger, stretch the plastic out a little bit. You're not going to hurt it. Unless you do it at the seam and then you rip it, so you got to be careful. So you can actually just go in like this now. Slide that up a little bit. Stick your battery pack on. A little too tight. Now, once you get it about right here, have to do on camera. Push your battery pack back on. Now you have it like this. You got a little hole down here. I think these holes are a little too big. That's where the barrier film comes in. I like to smooth that out. Get it as smooth as possible. And we'll take our sports wrap. And then, I mean, you really don't have to do sports wrap. It's up to you. I like to do a little. I'm not a fan of a ton. I mean, some people will put 3 rolls on here and be like, oh, it's still not enough. Really? I'll put a little. I put about half a roll. Push this back down. Yeah, that's about enough. Now, if you notice, you still got the up top. That's where your second barrier film comes into place. So, slide this down a little bit so that way you can make adjustments down here without it getting messed up. Pinch all that in there. Try not to cover your screen too much. And you're good. Nice sealed machine. You can still make adjustments and whatnot as you need to. Turn this around if you got OCD like me. So that way you can still have your battery facing the way you want it. I've been Earthquake from Tattoo for You. Like, subscribe, share. Let's pass on this knowledge. You know, help a brother out. There's a lot of people out there that, you know, they're confused. They don't want to ask questions. You know, you share these videos. Maybe they watch, maybe they don't. Maybe it helps somebody out. So, y'all have a good day.